OS X for Macintosh comes with a number of features that help accessibility when using the operating system. Um, and right now I'm going to go over those features and kind of give you a look at what they look like. The first one is for people with vision impairments. Um, and that's called VoiceOver. VoiceOver is a screen reader that comes with every Mac, and it's a text-to-speech tool, and it lets you know what's happening on your Macintosh. Just like a screen reader does, it actually just reads you the website. And VoiceOver, all of these are built in automatically to your Macintosh. So VoiceOver is the screen reader, and to start that, you just go up here to the Finder, and you just type in VoiceOver utility. It'll start up, and you can set it to have the voice reader activate on anytime you log into one of your Apple devices. You can have that go with you, but I'm leaving it off for here. You just click Setup, and you would select an external drive, and there's various options inside here that will, and you can also use Braille with it. So those are all very useful if you have some sort of vision impairment. Zoom is a built-in magnifier that's built into the Macintosh. You also can find it through the Finder, and just go in and find Zoom that way. And so it lets you enlarge your screen up to 20 times, let you see better what's on your display. Dictation lets you talk where you would type. That's very useful for people that would have trouble speaking. Contrast options and cursor size will allow you to alter the visual look for people with different types of visual disabilities. And then the Braille, true plug-and-play support for Braille displays. So if you have a Braille display, it's a specialized display. You can hook it up to your Mac, and it will help with you. If you have hearing disabilities, there are various features built into the Mac which can be helpful. FaceTime allows you to make video calls. And obviously you could use sign language using FaceTime, so that would work. So that's a very handy feature built into all Apple products. Closed captioning is also available on all of their movies, TV shows, and videos, and podcasts. You can get closed captioning, so if you are hearing impaired, that will be useful. And also iMessage is, a message-based tool, so you don't have to use any audio in that to communicate. They also have Screen Flash built in, which is kind of like an alarm for your Mac. Mono audio is available, which if you have some sort of stereo issues with your hearing, that makes the Macintosh more accessible for you. And then also Purple Video Relay services for people who are deaf or hard of hearing for making video calls and whatnot. And the final type of accessibility is learning and literacy accessibility. And the Mac has features built into it, like the Simple Finder. It's an easier way to navigate. It kind of simplifies what you might want to use. It also lets you set parental controls and that sort of thing. It makes the dock really very simplified and easy to use. Also has a dictionary and text-to-speech, as well as word completion, which will help you when you're writing if you had learning disabilities. If you have trouble with speech, there are different speech tools you can use. Like I said, iMessage, we said before. FaceTime will let you communicate visually, so you can see some of the tools would also work with users with different learning disabilities. So that was a brief overview of the different tools available in your Mac and how to get to them. And like I said, pretty much everything you can just find through the Finder here. Like here's the VoiceOver, FaceTime, all of those things. You just type into the Spotlight, and that'll get you where you need to go to use that tool. All right, I hope you liked this overview of accessibility tools for the Mac. Thanks.